This is describing a project that Daddy Dave did for Andrew and Nikki at their guest house called Bella Rosa, which is in Tesselaarsdal. Tesselaarsdal is a real pretty place. It's in the mountains, kind of 20 kilometers from Caledon and about 40 kilometers from Hermanus in the Cape. Very pretty place, and you'll see some of the before and after pictures. Very beautiful, very quiet, right in the middle of nowhere, no cars, just a few dogs barking and lots of birdies and a few nightjars, but no cars. Very, very pretty. Their place is definitely has a rustic feel to it, as you can see from these pictures. And the problem was that Andrew picked up that the patio was cracking, so the garden in the front part was subsiding due to like washaways. We then did a bit of planning, and we decided we were going to put in some retaining blocks, take away the wooden fence that was falling down between the hedge and the garden, that part of the garden, and we were going to put in retaining blocks. We also discovered that the cause of the crack was that there was basically zero foundation. You can actually see the hole we've dug under the patio in that corner, and there's literally no foundation. So we planned to put a nice decorative step in there with little stones and fill that with a great deal of concrete, and also about a meter into the section under the patio. First week, of course, was lots of digging and putting in the retaining blocks. So we built a wall of retaining blocks, backfilled it, cleaned up the garden, filled up the walkway areas with lots and lots of concrete, and then finalized that week with pouring concrete under the house patio section, and then decorated it to make it look like a pretty step as well. So that was called week one. We then relaxed on the weekend with Andrew and Nikki and two of his friends, Bob and Ludo. And on the following week, we attacked all the little bitty bits of repairs, including the entrance hall floor, which was flaking away, very bad screed. And we also ended up putting little decorative stones in, matching the color as best we could, and really just generally doing some repairs in the parking lot. We then built a little step in front of the front door. The two little doggies who kept me company for the whole week, Andrew's Italian greyhounds, kept me company, and they decided to put little doggy paw prints on the step as a decoration. So there they are. We then did a bit of plumbing repair, sorted out the Wi-Fi, did a bit of color matching on the floor, and generally made the place a little bit more repaired. And it was quite a successful project all in all. 2 fairly solid weeks of work, and the net result is that the place will look good for tenants, for guests, and it's a very popular place, so the guests obviously need the place to be in one piece. I guess that's about the sum total of that project, and it was hard work but quite rewarding.